Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys my morning skin routine, and I will have a sit down talk through video about my skin journey and what I've been doing and how it has helped me and whatnot. But this is just a morning tutorial video of my current skin routine. If you watch my previous video, like my older videos, or if you've been following me for a while, you would see that my skin has actually improved, and a lot of you guys have pointed that out to me. So that's why I decided to do this morning routine of my current skincare. So hope you enjoy it. So I start off the morning with the fresh wash face with water, and then I'll use my Biore baking soda powder. I'll just use that with water and my hands, no extra tools, and just rub it in my face. Then I rinse it off with water. When it comes to cleansers, you can use any cleanser of your choice, but I would recommend Clean & Clear's Acne Triple Clear Cleanser. But I'll be using these old cleansers from Biore that I've been having sitting in my closet that didn't work for me. I'm just trying to use it to finish it off because it's just useless, I first use my hands to apply the cleanser all over my face, and then I take my vanity spin brush and put it on spin number 2 and let it do its work. Then I rinse it off with water. I rinse off the brush as well. I'll be using my favorite exfoliator from Clean & Clear as well, and I'll be applying that all over my face with my hands. I then use my vanity spin brush again and put it on spin number 2 and let it do its do, okay? I then rinse off with water, and then I do not towel dry. I repeat, do not towel dry your face. I let my face air dry. This is shown to be much more better than letting my face towel dry. After this part, you can decide whether or not you want to moisturize your face. I personally do not like moisturizing my face anymore because I have very oily skin. So I just go about my business and let my regular oil just moisturize my face. And by the end of the day, I'll be greasy as hell. This concludes my morning routine. I will have my nightly skin routine down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. All the products I use will be down below. Thanks again.